All right, problem number 3. So I have accuracy out to plus or minus 20 newtons. So all this stuff here, I can't do anything with it. So if I want to state this to the correct number of digits, I got to drop some values and I got to round. So this is going to be 240, well, plus or minus 20 newtons. That's for number 3. So for our maximum measurement, we could go all the way up to 260. And for our minimum, we would go to 240 newtons. So I'll just label that as max and min. So the range is, I got a range of 40 newtons, or that's the plus or minus 20. Now, the percent error, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our uncertainty, which is 20, divide it by the measurement ideal, which is 240, and then we times that by 100 times it. Really technical here in the IB. And that's going to give us about 8 point, it's going to give us 8.3% error. So there we go. Now with this next one, we are weighing a beaker. This is really funny because you've done a zillion of these. So what we're saying is we get a plain old beaker, we're going to add a bunch of salt to it. Oh, and surprise, the combo is now heavier, so we want to know how much salt was in the beaker. So here's how I'll write this. Beaker plus salt is 147.85 plus or minus 0.01. Plain old beaker is 121.34 plus or minus 0.01. And then this goes back to the Kahoot that we have been doing a ton of in class. You want to get the salt weight. That's going to be 147.85 plus or minus 0.01 minus 121.34 plus or minus 0.01. And the result that we're going to end up getting is going to be 7 minus 5 is 2. 8 minus 3 is 5, 146 to 26.52 plus or minus. And don't forget when you have subtraction uncertainties, you don't subtract uncertainties, you add them together. So we're going to get plus or minus 0.02 grams in our uncertainty. I'm doing it just like we did the Kahoot. So that's problem number 4. Now, I think we'll stop with 3 and 4 like that. We'll do 5 and 6 in the next video.